कर चले हम फिदा, जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे।
देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना।
कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना।
Songs which have moved us to tears.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, ये शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
Songs which stir a deep patriotic feeling.
अपनी आजादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं, अपनी आजादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं। सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं, सर झुका सकते नहीं।
Music that makes us proud to be Indian.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
Almost every single Bollywood composer, filmmaker, singer or lyricist has worked towards creating a patriotic anthem at some point of time or the other. Hundreds of films have been made catering to the nationalistic fervor.
बिगुल बज रहा आजादी का, गगन गूंजता नारों से, मिला रही है आज हिंद की मिट्टी नजर सितारों से।
And even though today we may not find them to occupy too much space on the silver screen,
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा।
once upon a time, making music which would inspire people to participate in the social upliftment of the country was a phenomenon. Sound had come to the Indian silver screen. The year was 1931. Just a few years later, in 1940, came the Bombay Talkies film Bandhan. It launched Kavi Pradeep to the forefront. Written by him, this song was one of the first recorded patriotic songs. As Gandhi ji gave the call for the Quit India movement, Pradeep wrote yet another song which created history.
I met Pradeep. At his Juhu, near Juhu, Villeparle residence. I met him, and that is when he told me about this. So there was a line which he studiedly put in this song, Aaj Himalay Ki Choti Se, sung by Amir Bhai Karnataki, 43, as I said, Kismat, the film which ran for over 200 weeks at the Roxy in Calcutta. You see, that is a record, at that time a record. So this, he says, he had put a line there, जाग उठो हिंदुस्तानी, फिर न किसी के आगे झुकना, जर्मन हो या जापानी. Now this particular line, फिर न किसी के आगे झुकना, they didn't understand. German हो या Japani, they understood. So the message was that Indians should not bow before either the Germans or the Japanese. So they passed the film. And that is how we got to hear this song. This song, composed by Anil Bishwas, written by Kavi Pradeep, made a terrific impact at that particular time.
While the British may not have realized the meaning of some of the lines in the lyrics, they issued arrest warrants for Pradeep, soon enough prompting him into hiding. In 1948, just after partition, came this song with an anthem-like ring to it.
वतन की राह में वतन के नौजवान शहीद हो, वतन की राह में वतन के नौजवान शहीद हो,
वतन की राह में वतन के नौजवान शहीद हो, sung by Khan Mastana and Mohammad Rafi, and the Mohammad Rafi portion going on Dilip Kumar, and that portion going on Dilip Kumar, composed by whom? This particular song in Shaheed, 48, I am not talking of Manoj Kumar Shaheed, 48 Shaheed I am talking of, Makamni Kaushal and Dilip Kumar, going on whom? This, going on Dilip Kumar, of course, Mohammad Rafi, but the song composed by whom? Master Ghulam Haidar. It has an anthem-like ring, this song, and Master Ghulam Haidar, look at the irony, he had already opted for Pakistan. So in effect, a Pakistani composed Watan ki raah mein, Watan ke naujawan shaheed ho, which became a very, very popular song, and for Mohammad Rafi it was almost a breakthrough.
With Gandhiji's assassination came another song in 4 parts.
वो बापू जो पूज है इतना जितना गंगा माँ का पानी.
Sung by Mohammad Rafi and composed almost overnight by Husnlal Bhagat Ram.
सुनो सुनो ऐ दुनिया वालों बापू की ये अमर कहानी.
As the years wore on and disillusionment set in the Indian subcontinent post-independence, Kavi Pradeep again rose to the challenge. With Nastik, Pradeep gave us an immortal song in his own voice.
सूरज न बदला चांद न बदला ना बदला रे आसमान कितना बदल गया इंसान कितना बदल गया इंसान.
When Kavi Pradeep once again comes to the fore, Nastik 54, and this is with the titles of the, and when you see the titles of the film Nastik 54, you are very moved because partition scenes, the grim foreboding of partition, all those things you see there. देखते रहे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान कितना बदल गया इंसान. This song written by Pradeep, tuned by C. Ramchandra for Filmistan's Nastik, starring Nalini Jaywant and Ajit, also made it was a breakthrough song in 54.
Pradeep's next was Jagriti, a film which is considered to be amongst his best work. The popularity of his music was such that audiences across cinema halls in the country would demand to hear the song again and again.
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
जागृति had, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल. See, so Jagriti in its own way reawakened patriotism in the country at a time when there was a lot of disillusionment with the ruling government at that particular time.
As the 50s slipped into the 60s and India took her first steps into becoming a self-reliant nation,
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना।
patriotic music kept on ringing in the ears of every listener.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
The 60s in Bollywood would see the rise of a star who would go on to be the flag bearer of patriotism.
You see, as far as we are concerned, Manoj is Bharat, Bharat is Manoj. And I remember his films, they were so severely criticized in all papers that he's gone into a rut. He has no other theme except this Bharat. But look at the results in the box office. I mean, each film outdoes the other. Kranti, the last film which he came, according to me, not a very great film, not a good film by his standards, that did the best.
Responding to a request by the then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, Manoj Kumar created this magnum opus, Upkar.
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती,
earning for himself the title Manoj Bharat Kumar.
देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
And Manoj Kumar's depiction of India, rural India, that I think will remain unsurpassed. And in commercial cinema, it's very difficult to sell that kind of an idea to the masses. And through the songs, he first had Kalyanji Anandi as his music directors, then he brought in Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And most important, Manoj Kumar understood music. He understood the wording of songs. He knew which song, what is the kind of wording needed in order to put a song across to the common man.
Meanwhile, as Manoj Kumar's star was shining, there was a handful of films which successfully carried the nationalistic pride.
बैलों के गले में जब घुंघरू जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं, गम को सो दूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं।
Bimal Roy, who made Kabuliwala, was one such director. Composed by Salil Chaudhary, this song still evokes the nationalistic love for the motherland. Directed by Chetan Anand and composed by Madan Mohan, this Rafi song is another gem of the era.
कर चले
हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, हम तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, कर चले हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
But the most iconic patriotic song ever would come in the year 1962, penned by the indomitable Kavi Pradeep. This song is sung by Lata Mangeshkar.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, ये शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
And it went on to become the greatest patriotic song ever.
आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
Now this I Mere Watan Ke Logo is a unique song in the lexicon of Indian cinema for the simple reason that it has no visuals to support it. It is not in a film. It was tuned by C. Ramchandar, whom I met. And he said, this will surprise those who are hearing, he said that I have tuned it as a duet. I Mere Watan Ke Logo will be sung by Asha Bhosle. Zara Aankh Mein Bhar Lo Pani will be sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Jo Shaheed Hue will be sung by Asha Bhosle. Zara Yaad Karo Kurbani will be sung by Lata Mangeshkar. I have tuned it as a duet. Then what happened was, according to Kavi Pradeep again, who wrote this song, one morning at 6 o'clock, Lata Mangeshkar arrives at his residence. I am giving Pradeep's version. And she says that this song I am prepared to sing. She didn't have good vibes at that particular point with C. Ramchandar, who had tuned the song. C. Ramchandar was sweet on her at one time, but the vibes had gone wrong. You see, so she said, I am prepared to sing this song if I am allowed to sing it alone. Meanwhile, there had also been word from New Delhi that they would appreciate that in front of Jawaharlal Nehru, if the song were sung alone by Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar's aura was that. So this particular song went to New Delhi, and there, I mean, again the vibes were not very good. C. Ramchandar and Lata, somehow they rehearsed and put it on when the nation was in a state of shock still after the Chinese invasion. The nation was in a state of shock. On the 26th of January 1963, this song was played in Delhi, and the impact was so great that Jawaharlal Nehru got up from his seat and said, "Ladki, aaj to tune mujhe rula diya."
नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद.
सैकड़ों कुर्बानियाँ देकर ये दौलत पाई है, हमने ये दौलत पाई है, मुस्कुरा कर खाई है सीनों पे अपने गोलियाँ, सीनों पे अपने गोलियाँ, इतने वीरानों से गुजरे हैं तो जन्नत पाई है. जीते हो किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी.
दिला देंगे सबको दिखा देंगे, क्या परिचा क्या.
The 70s and 80s in Bollywood were dominated by the angry young man and unidimensional films. Patriotism, as it was known till then, was almost non-existent in Bollywood.
We were not making films. What we were making was flim-flam. What could be called flim-flam? I mean, we were making, I mean, what was there? The violence era came, Amitabh Bachchan, one-dimensional films. You got an occasional Kabhi Kabhi. You see, you got an occasional Umrao Jaan. Otherwise, cinema had gone into a hopeless rut.
Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, hum watan hum naam hai. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, hum watan hum
Barring an odd film like Subhash Ghai's directed Karma in 1987, there was no film which could carry a patriotic anthem successfully. In the year 1992 came a Mani Ratnam film, which would launch the careers of several future legends. One of them would be the Mozart of Madras, A.R. Rahman. This song from the film, though originally in Tamil, became a mass favorite.
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है.
The next few years would see another blockbuster Bollywood film based on the India-Pakistan War of 1971, a big-budget film with extraordinary action sequences. This film featured a beautiful melody on the eve of war.
मुझसे तुझसे हम दोनों से सुनिए पत्थर कुछ कहते हैं.
In 2001, Lagan made history as it was chosen for the Academy Award.
टूट गई जब उंगली उठी, पांचों मिली तो बन गई मुट्ठी.
One of the greatest achievements of this film was bringing nationalism to the fore once again.
एका बढ़ता ही जावे, चले चलो चले चलो, कोई कितना भी बहकावे, चले चलो, कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो, मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो.
A few years later, Shah Rukh Khan brought back the same sentiment in Swades.
स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा.
Today, to have memorable patriotic songs, look at the quality of the poetry that you are getting. Look at the, I really don't know. Maybe I am out of touch with the temper of the times. The quality of the lyrics that we get today. How can you ask for something patriotic to be composed in this atmosphere that is prevailing?
In today's films, the nationalistic flavor may be virtually non-existent. Barring an occasional song every now and then. Yet those from an era gone by remain fresh as the day that they came into our memory.
वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे. छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी.
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का. इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना. ये देश है दुनिया का कहना.